Our next question, what is a Torque Master spring? This is a Torque Master spring. These come in sizes maybe a little bit smaller than this, all the way up to 8 foot long springs with a steel rod in the middle. They all look roughly the same as this. The only other kind of spring that you're going to see in residential doors that is above the garage door are torsion springs. They look totally different than a Torque Master spring. And the thing about Torque Master springs is you won't ever see it because it's inside of a steel tube like that. They were developed to be a safer DIY, more DIY friendly garage door spring. Service guys hate them. Most service guys will refuse to replace them. They'll want to convert you to a torsion spring system. And while I understand the torsion spring systems are very reliable, they all last about the same amount of time. They're easier to maintain. They're less time consuming to maintain. It takes a service guy less time to replace a torsion spring than it does a Torque Master spring. There's less moving parts, the winding assemblies and the cones and all this stuff. They're not as common. The Torque Master stuff's not as common. It's only in about 5 to 10% of garages in the United States. The Torque Master stuff's a little bit more expensive to replace one-to-one, but if you're gonna go from a Torque Master system to a torsion spring system, you're gonna spend anywhere from, we've done a video on this, it's anywhere from $800 to $2,000 and in between there, depending on where you live, what company you call to come fix your garage door spring. You can fix these yourself anywhere from, I'd say probably $30 to, at the high end, you're looking at maybe $300. And that's typically with new winding assemblies, like an upgrade kit to get you to a Torque Master Plus system. Most people think they're cheap builder's grade stuff. They're typically more expensive spring for spring than a torsion spring is, just because there's not as many of them made. But again, it's a lot more safe for a homeowner to install. A homeowner that's relatively capable of tools, using the right tools and following instructions, will have no issue swapping out a torsion spring or a Torque Master spring or an extension spring system. It's all very DIY-able. Just make sure you have the right tools and follow some good instructions. We have instructions on all this stuff on our YouTube, on our website. Torque Master spring system lasts just as long as torsion or extension or any of the other garage door springs. They all have roughly the same life cycle. Again, service guys don't like them. It's just easier for them to deal with the torsion springs. Torsion spring parts are readily available. Sometimes you can go to Home Depot and get the proper torsion springs for your garage door. They are not one size fit all, so do not go to Home Depot. Just grab whatever you see off the shelf. Make sure you get the right thing. Or come to our website, expressgaragedoors.com. We've got a full selection of all spring, Torque Master, torsion, extension, and guides on how to pick the right spring for your garage door. If you've got any other questions about this stuff, leave us a comment below. Check us out, expressgaragedoors.com. Thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.